Hey everyone, welcome to day number 14 of the 30-day meditation journey. I appreciate you so much for being here with me and dedicating yourself to this. I know it can be difficult, but keep going. Trust me on this. It will get easier, and then you will love uh, going to meditate. Like it'll just be something that you have to do. So, if you are just joining us, please go back to day number 1 for an introduction. And also, I just want to mention that I have online workshops, self-love workshop and a meditation workshop. If you want to take a deep dive into meditation, into the discovery of self-love, then please go check it out. I'll put the link below in the description box. They are pre-recorded so that you have unlimited access to them. You can do them over and over and over again, and really have that become more aware of who you are at this deeper level. So now, without further ado, please get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for about 10 minutes, and we will begin our meditation. Now you can be sitting on a meditation pillow, in a chair, you can be lying down. It is entirely up to you. Just make sure you're comfortable. And close your eyes, adjust your clothing, adjust yourself, and take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale. Take another deep breath in and exhale. Just continue with your breath, the inhale, the exhale. There's no rushing, just continue flowing with the breath. Allowing the breath to relax you, to help you to become deeper and deeper into your own awareness. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose, allowing the belly to rise and fall. Allowing yourself to become more and more relaxed with every breath. Allowing your muscles to relax, your emotions, your thoughts. Just continue to breathe. Now envision that you are holding a leaf, a very large leaf from a tree. And take a look at it and observe it. This tree, this leaf from the tree is still beautiful and green. Pay attention to what you see on this leaf, what the shape is of the leaf. Notice the patterns. Maybe the color of the leaf is slightly different, or you perceive other colors within the leaf. Flip the leaf over. And look at the other side. What do you see? What do you feel? Touch the back of the leaf with your hand, with your fingers. Touch the edges of the leaf. And now flip the leaf over and just stare at it. Becoming the leaf. Tapping into its wisdom. Really embodying the leaf and what it's telling you, what it's saying. Open yourself up to receive any messages from this leaf. Tap into it. Whatever comes up, just allow it to be. Just recognize it. Understand it. Observe it. Don't question it. Feel the connection with the leaf. Understanding that you are one with everything and everyone around you, with the earth, with the trees, with this leaf. You are connected. You are one. Continue to breathe, allowing the air to flow through your nose. The inhale, the exhale. Allowing your connection with the leaf to become deeper. Understanding that the leaf has no agenda, just intention to grow, to provide oxygen, to connect, to flow with life. Thank the leaf for the wisdom that it has given you. And when you are ready, bring your awareness back into your body, back into the space. And rub your hands together. And place them over your eyes. And when you are ready, open your eyes and remove your hands. Thank you for being here. Namaste.